Hello friends, hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm checking out this iChag tea set here. First of all, check out this case. Comes with a nice little handle, very cool, compact, and we can just unzip this little guy here. This is like tea for quite a few here. So we have this little nice embroidered cloth here that we can set our have our little tongs here for sugar cubes or something like that. Nice packaging here. Okay, this comes with this bamboo tray right here, which is held in with this elastic. Very nice there. So if we spill, that's just going to collect our water right there, or our tea. So very nice presentation there. Look at the detailing on that. That is nice. Okay, so we have our little teapot right here, and then an infuser. So this will strain out our tea. Very cool. Right there. And we can strain it into our little other pot here. That is very nice. It's like a kind of a heavy duty, like porcelain feel to it. Very cool. Okay, what else do we got here? We have this little, we open this up. I think this pulls out. Yes, it does. Very nice tight seal there. So what was that one is for? I believe for a little canister, so we can put our sugar cubes or whatever in there. But it has a nice little silicone seal there and the bamboo lid. So that is sweet. And this comes with 6 of these little miniature cups here. Very nice for like having a little authentic like tea. So this one you could basically get your own tea leaves. If you guys like the rough tea leaves, you can use this infuser, diffuser. So you could put all your leaves and stuff in here, boil that, and then we can pour that into here through our diffuser there, and that's going to sift out all sift the leaves out, so we just have the actual tea there, and then we can use that to pour. So very cool. Also has this little handle we can put on right like that. So that is nice. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and wash these up and have myself a nice little cup of tea. Will you join me? All right, here we are, washed and ready to go. All right, I don't need all these little guys, so I'm going to put a couple off to the side here. I have some blood orange tea in the leafy section here. Not sure exactly how much to put in here, so I'll just get out some and put it in the little. So this, you can use your loose teas if you like making your own tea. I'm not sure exactly how much to put in there. Better to have too much than too little, right? I think that's a good amount there. I don't want to waste any of this, so I'll just throw it in. Oh, that tea smells pretty. All right, so I have some hot water here, and just pour that in there. Ooh, yeah. Some good color on there already. Okay. What did I do with my lid? 1 second. Okay, there it was. It was on my fairness cup there. So I'm not sure how long I'm supposed to let this sit there. Basically, as long as you want, the longer it sits, usually the stronger your tea is. Now, I really like honey with my tea, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of honey here. Just a little bit, because these cups are really small. I could even put it in there, but I'm just going to put a little bit of honey in my cup here. Probably about half of that is all I need. It's going to be some sweet tea. Nothing wrong with that, though. Okay, put my little thing off to the side here. Okay, so if you do not need to use the diffuser, which I actually do because I have loose tea in there, you can just put like a Lipton tea bag in there or another one and then use that. So depending on how long we let this sit for, kind of excited to try this out. Let me check inside here. It's getting a little dark there. I'm going to give it a few minutes. We'll come back, pour it, and give it a test here. Okay, here we go. Got my little diffuser right here. So I'll go ahead and pour this in there. Very nice. That's filtering all the leaves out that I get in there. Oops. It's a little bit more full than the other thing. Hold some water in there, so we got to be careful. Okay, but we have this little bamboo thing, so that's fine. And then it has the little bamboo sides here, so I can just pour this on there. Try out my tea here. Give it a little stir. It's probably gonna be super sweet. I didn't get a lot of the honey off of there. Oh yeah. Smells really good. This is blood orange tea, so. I have a little bit here. Oh, that is good. That's really good tea. So, very cute little set here, actually, my friends. So if you want to have a nice little authentic, like a tea with your meal, this is a good way to go. It gives a nice little restaurant flair to your tea set. Very delicious, work great. The diffuser works amazing. Everything is very nicely done. I like the case it comes in and everything. Yeah, pretty impressed with this little set. I usually like a lot of tea, but sometimes if I'm not feeling well, I'll drink a large glass of tea. But this is just a really nice little little appetizer there, basically. Plus, I have the whole pot for myself. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.